All right, the first thing is if you're going to use your calculator for this, and we're solving for y here, you have to explicitly multiply the x and the y. You have to say 3x, and then you have to hit the times button, and then y equals 1. If you don't, the calculator doesn't distinguish those as two separate variables. It just thinks of it as one single variable. And now, if you're going to solve this by hand, what we need to do here is we need to isolate our y. So if we isolate the y, that means we add or we subtract an x from both sides. So negative x plus 1. Okay, so if we subtract an x from both sides here, and I just moved it into front, and then divide both sides by a negative 3x, that's going to isolate our y. So our y is equal to, now we don't want negatives in both, or in the denominator and numerator. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our negative factor from the denominator and move it up. So basically if we multiply this by negative 1 over negative 1, the negatives in the denominator cancel, leaving just the 3x. And in the denominator it changes the sign of our x to a positive and our 1 to a negative. And so we get our solution in that form.